Hello students, I am Swati Kedar. In today's C# session, we are going to see one more C# practice program that is on the destructor, and you already learn about the destructor. Varsha ma'am also already told you in C# theory class in session 35. You see here destructor. Destructor are used to destroy the object. Its name is the same as the class name and appended with the special symbol called the tilde. Means you have to give the class name and destructor name same, and you have to give tilde symbol for the destructor. You can create only one destructor in a class. You does not take any parameter. Destructor cannot be called explicitly. They are invoked automatically, means you need not to create the object of the destructor. It calls automatically. Destructor does not take access modifier, and this is the destructor. And this program execution we going to see in two ways. The first way in Visual Studio. In second way we type the program in Notepad and execute on developer command prompt. So let's start with the in first way in Visual Studio. For that we have to open the Visual Studio, go to file, new, project, Visual C# console app.NET framework, and give here project name or file name. I give here destructors for the project name, and give here location for your file. For that you have to browse, go to D drive, create here new folder. I have already created here one folder C# program, so I choose that folder and click on select folder and click on OK. After the clicking on OK, the C# file will be open, and you see here this code comes by default. You don't change it. Inside that you have to type the program. I have already created here one file for the, you see here I have already created one file for this program. You see here these 4 lines, these are the namespaces. I have already told you in previous sessions. After that we have created here namespace destructor, and inside the namespace we have created here two classes, class employee and class test employee. Inside the employee class we have created here one constructor and one destructor. Inside the class test employee we have created here main method, and program execution start from this main method only. So we see the first main method. Inside the main method we have created here object of the employee class. E1 is the object of this employee class, is equal to new employee. Here employee constructor will call when the object is created. The employee constructor will call automatically here employee. You see here employee constructor. Inside that we have printing the console.writeLine constructor invoke. It simply prints the constructor invoke on the console. After that in main method we have created here one more object E2 of a class employee. Employee E2 is equal to new employee, and again here constructor will call here, the default constructor will call, and you see here inside the default constructor we have printing the constructor invoke. So we have created here two objects for the employee class, and we are calling here default constructor. So it prints constructor invokes 2 times on the console. After that at the end the destructor will called here. Inside the destructor you see here we are printing the destructor invoke on the console. After that console.writeLine, close all the brackets and save the program. After this saving the program we go for execution. You see here output of this program. First we have created two object of the employee class and constructor will call 2 times, so it prints 2 times constructor invoke. After that it automatically invokes the it automatically calls the destructor and it prints destructor invoke. This is the execution in Visual Studio. Now we going to see execution in we type the program in Notepad and execute on developer command prompt. For that you have to copy this program and open the Notepad and paste this program in the Notepad and save this file. For that you have to go to file, save, go to D drive, and I have saved this file in C# program folder and give here file name. I have give here file name destructor dot cs. Give here .cs extension for this C# file and click on save. Now we go for execution of this file. Open the developer command prompt. You see here by default we are in C drive and our file is in D drive in C# folder. For that you have to type here D:. You see here now we are in D drive and give here folder location. For that you have to type here cd, folder name is C# program and enter. Now, you see here now we are in D drive in our folder. Now we go for compilation of this program. For that you have to type here csc space file name is destructor with the extension .cs. For the compilation you have to type csc space file name destructor.cs and enter. The file will compile. Now we go for the execution of this program. For the execution you have to type the only file name without the extension. You have to type here and enter. You see here output constructor invoke and destructor invoke. This is the execution on the developer command prompt. I hope you understood. Thank you.